It was Christmas yesterday. I think it was yesterday these came in. Well, the Sniper came in. Figured I'd show off the little quick unboxing of the Sniper and also show my fuel pump setup. So this is a 1200 Holley Dominator pump. I think it's rated up to like 1,000 naturally aspirated, like 800 horse forced induction. I think it's twin pumps. I went ahead and went with the Holley filters, paid the extra price for that just to keep it all looking matching nice, and they had these nice little billet mounts. And I figured if I'm feeding it into an expensive ass fuel injection, I don't want to skimp and go with some China knockoff fuel filters like what I would probably do with a carburetor setup and not care. So as you can see, this is long, right at 27 inches total. I just ordered some fittings that will eliminate this need to couple with the AN coupler. So it'll be O-ring to O-ring fitting, so it'll knock out about 5 inches total length. So the main reason for wanting to run this behind the gas tank area off that flange is because of this length. Now I might end up choosing to separate these and put these mounted like on the frame somewhere, floor, wherever else, to get them not so long and it won't be so much weight hanging off that plate. But I don't know for sure if I'll go that route yet. Also, if somebody knows what these pins are, like what the type is, feel free to tell me so I can get a plug that matches these so I don't have to recrimp them. The pump I bought used off of eBay, so if you can tell what type these are, shoot me a comment, let me know. I'd much rather not have to recrimp those since they're already nicely done. So anyways, it's, you know, there's the model numbers if you're interested in it, but it's 10 micron post. And if you can make that out, 100 micron pre-pump. And we're getting ready to go to a 4th of July cookout, so if you can make out Puppy in the kennel, she's getting ready. So anyways, on to the interesting stuff. This lovely goodness. We got instructions and gaskets, wiring harness. And then we have this bit. Let's see if I can grab this one-handed. Sorry for the noise. Slide this shit out of the way. I'm not gonna unwrap this completely, just pull this shit out of the way so you can see it all. Excuse my terrible camera work while doing this, but. So, the only thing left in this box is O2 sensor, temp, some more, the actual touchscreen, and some more wiring. But, this is the Sniper setup. Carburetor replacement, fuel injection. Probably can't see them, but there's tiny holes around the barrel inside that are for the fuel injection. This one here is the 1250 model. They come with a built-in reg that I'll be disabling because I'll plan on running forced induction. So, this one is the model with 8 injectors and it's rated for 1250 naturally aspirated horse and like 700 or 800 forced induction. But this is her. Now, one thing I saw a bunch of people doing was changing out this linkage here. So the way it's set up is just 1-to-1. So they both open same time. I've seen a bunch of people want to change these out to where they're timed. And it looks like you could actually adjust it. I don't know if that is or not. It seems too close. I think you have to change the angle of this bracket. But I think they sell a new arm to where you can open it up at different percentages to open up the other 2 barrels. But the ECU is contained in this, along with all the sensors, throttle, position sensor, etc. And the ECU is right here. That's it, guys. Kind of hyped, can't wait to get this thing put on. See how this motor actually runs when it runs with a nice tune on it. I'll give another update later on the motor progress. I worked on honing them out the other day. I still got to do a wash down of the block and finish prepping the deck. That's it, guys.